Alright, so I just did a piece on my website about Collier County has introduced tiger dams. And these tiger dams are barriers to stop flooding. But you can buy your own little tiger dam and put it in front of your doorway and stop flooding coming into your house. So you can get these on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for this. They are $329 from Amazon, and I guess they're about, I don't know, maybe 6 foot wide, 6 foot long, and I guess you can get them in different sizes as well. But the one here, it's just right across the doorway, so any flooding from a hurricane like storm surge coming towards your house, this would definitely stop the water from coming in or reduce it by a lot. So this is a really good idea. Problem is, sometimes we've got these very long sliding doors in Florida all the way across the back of people's homes, and you're going to need quite a lot of these, or longer ones, so it could get quite expensive. But I don't know, what's the price you put on stopping water from coming in your house? I mean, Marco Island and Naples, we're talking about multi-million-dollar homes. So for a few $1,000s maybe, you could protect your home from storm surge. I think it's a great idea. So anyway, this small one is $329 on Amazon. Like I say, the link is in the description. And I think I might have to get one of these. Alright, so head down to Amazon, click that link and purchase one of these if you're in a flood zone and you're concerned about water coming inside your house. Alright, my name is Paul, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. See you later.